Okay, so today something came through the mail and very excited about this. Once again, we love our gadgets. And this is something that's going to change the way we do our films because it's going to take up everything up by a notch, as this is the green screen. Right? The idea of the green screen, as you've probably seen on TVs, is presented is that at the back you can change the green screen to anything, and this is how it's going to be used. Okay, so obviously it's quite big, whether it's green or on the other side, the blue screen, just in case your uniform is green and we need to use the blue screen instead. So the idea is that the contrast will allow us to change it to whatever scene we want, and then it will not interfere with whatever you're wearing. So now we've got this green screen set up behind us. That's just, the cool thing about the green screen is that you get to pick any background you want. So for example, if I'm in Paris, done. If I'm in New York, done. Or if you're a dental practice, and you want to sort of explain something inside the patient's mouth, you can do something like this. I mean, the patient's mouth, yeah, there you go, easy peasy. Okay, oh, this is pretty cool. Now we just figure out how to hack this thing again.